Hey guys, it's Sky. I just got a Rightstuf package, so I figured I'd open it for you guys, show you what I got. I think I got like 3 more coming, but I'm pretty excited for what I got in this one. Actually, everything that I've purchased within the last month is amazing. Like, I'm excited for all of it. Standard brown paper and receipt. Okay. Hope these are in order. Dot Hack Link Volume 1. I really like Dot Hack. I've seen the anime, or some of the animes, but that looks awesome. Volume 2. And Volume 3. I think that's all of the Dot Hack Link ones. I know there's like a ton of other Dot Hack series. Oh my gosh. This was my $5 blind box. JoJo's Bizarre Adventure #1 DVD. Last time, my blind box was JoJo's Bizarre Adventure #1. So, I don't know what I'm gonna do with it, but I'll find something, it's not that big of a deal. You always gotta take that chance, so. Blank Slate, Volume 1. I don't know anything about these. What's it say on the back? What does it take to find your true inner self? Zen's memory has been wiped, and he can't remember if he's a killer or a hero. And a lot of people will do anything they can to keep it that way. Questions. Zen's unearthly charm attracts a veritable rogues gallery. A bounty hunter becomes obsessed enough to become his new partner, while the daughter of General treats him like some sort of guru. But when he meets a mysterious doctor who may know him from the past, Zen learns that the secret of his lost memory is definitely more sinister than saintly. And then down here it says, search your soul or die trying. It's rated T for, it's older teen. Older teen. This one's wrapped. This looks awesome. I'm excited to read it. And then I also got Volume 2. Wait, it's upside down. Volume 2. I think that's all. That's at least all that they have right now. I don't know if this is done. I don't know if they're going to continue the series or not. But I will definitely read those and let you know. Bleach DVD set 1. This contains episodes 1 through 20. I haven't seen the anime yet of Bleach, but all of my friends are obsessed with Bleach. I have some of the mangas. I have like volumes 1 through 18 of the manga. I hope these are all in order. DVD set 2, episodes 21 through 41. DVD set 3, episodes 42 through 63. And DVD set 4, part 1, episodes 64 through 29. And I still gotta get the rest of those. And I also got, ooh, this looks awesome. Dot Hack, Legend of the Twilight. I think this is the beginning of Dot Hack. I'm not completely sure. Comment down below if you know the order that the Dot Hack series came in, because I have no idea. I think Link is number 2, Legend of the Twilight is number 1, and Link is number 2, I believe. And this is the box set of all 3 of them. So that's pretty kick-ass. It's wrapped up, but it looks a little dusty. I don't know if it's the box or just the wrapper. I'll unwrap it. Or you know what? Maybe I'll do an unboxing. I'll do an unboxing of this separately, just because I want another video. So, that's all I have today, I think. Hey, they didn't give me any advertisements or Post-its. That's baloney. Rightstuf, come on now. I use those Post-its. I need the postcards too. Come on, Rightstuf. Alright, yeah, I'll do an unboxing of this. So go check out that video too. That's all I got, so namaste.